American soldiers accidentally blasted open a strange object buried underground. Everyone froze in shock as they stared at it. It was something far beyond anything human technology could create. A red glow flickered on its surface, like the eye of some monster. Moments later, blue light began shining from inside the machine, scanning every soldier at the site one by one. The only thing anyone could do was run, but the machine was terrifyingly intelligent. It could precisely detect where humans were. No matter where the soldiers tried to hide or escape, the machine would strike them with deadly accuracy. When there was nowhere left to run, the machine dropped a small black sphere toward them. The moment Richard realized it was a bomb, it was already too late. The explosion sent everyone tumbling down the hillside. Richard lost consciousness for a few seconds. In that brief moment, it felt as if he had returned to the battlefield, back to the time when he had once stood on the edge of death. When he came to, he saw the horrifying scene around him. Some of his teammates were dead, others badly wounded. A powerful sense of responsibility surged through him. He grabbed his own broken arm and forced the bone back into place. Then he quickly covered the mouth of a screaming teammate, pressing hard to keep him silent. Any noise could attract that mysterious machine again. The soldier with a hole through his chest was clearly the worst off. Richard knew there was almost no chance of saving him, so he rushed to treat another teammate whose leg was badly injured. If he could get that man onto a stretcher, there was still a slim chance he might survive. But the radio had been left behind at the spot where they were attacked. Richard had no choice but to crawl back up the slope alone to retrieve it. Along the way, he saw one of his teammates lying in a pool of blood, his body torn apart by the blast. There was no time to mourn. Richard pushed forward through a narrow path until he finally found the communications officer lying motionless. But when he checked the equipment, he realized the radio had already been destroyed. Just like that, their last hope was gone.